Yeah, today I will show you how to make this bookmark. So suppose you have this book and you are keeping this bookmark here, so it's ready for the next time. So it's like this, you can see, and it's ready. So let's see how to make this. So I am taking these four lines. These are of 23 centimeters. One line, one string is of 23 centimeter, and you can make as long as you want. It's not like you have to make exactly. You can make of 30 centimeters line or any size. And this is breadth is 1 centimeter. So 23 centimeter by 1 centimeter I am taking. So let's see how to make it. Let's put some glue over here. Let's do it like this. Take the next, on the tip of it, just put some glue, and here. Take the last one, the fourth one.
Are you making like a L shape?
Yeah, see, now it's like this. When it's ready, we are ready to proceed now. So take one of them, one pink, any pink side, outer side, and do like this. And take the next, the left one, just do it like this. Just hold it nicely and press it nicely, and it's done. Take the next. One by one we have to do like this. Nicely, and take the next. 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 This, the next thing. One by one, just take the lines and just keep it like this, put it like this then. And you can make it with any color of your choice. It's up to you. Or you can personalize it also by writing any name or alphabet. It's up to you. Or making some patterns. It's almost done. We are at the end of it. So at the end we can put glue to stick it. Just take glue when it's like this. At the end, just take glue and we can put it here to stick it together. Sticks. And here also some glue, and you can cut the extra part. Cut this, you don't need it. It will look much clean like that. So as you can see, our bookmark is ready, and it's ready to go. So here it's ready, and when I am reading the next time, then I know that I have to start from this page. No need to search. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Smash the like button. Please comment also. And please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics. And to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadiq's World. Bye bye.